Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: chapped lips. We all know how uncomfortable and bothersome they can be, but fear not. We're here to share some simple yet effective tips on how to prevent chapped lips and keep your pout looking fabulous. So, let's dive right in. Understanding the problem. Before we jump into the solutions, let's take a moment to understand what causes chapped lips. Chapped lips occur when our lips lack proper hydration and protection from external factors. Factors like dry weather, excessive sun exposure, dehydration, and even certain medications can contribute to this issue. The good news is that with a little care, you can prevent untreated chapped lips. Hydrating lip balm, your best friend. The first key step in preventing chapped lips is to use a hydrating lip balm. Look for lip balms that contain natural ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, or beeswax. These ingredients help lock in moisture and provide a protective barrier for your lips. Apply the lip balm generously throughout the day, especially before heading out into dry or cold environments. Exfoliate regularly for smooth lips. Now, let's talk about the importance of regular lip exfoliation. Exfoliating your lips helps remove dead skin cells and promotes healthier, smoother lips. You can make a simple lip scrub at home using ingredients like sugar and honey. Gently massage the scrub onto your lips in circular motions, then rinse it off with warm water. Remember to follow up with a moisturizing lip balm for optimal results. Additional tips for lip care. Apart from using a hydrating lip balm and exfoliating, here are a few more tips to keep your lips in top-notch condition. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to maintain overall hydration, including your lips. Protect from the sun. Apply lip balm with SPF before going out in the sun. Sun damage can worsen chapped lips. Avoid licking your lips. Saliva can actually dry out your lips further, so try to resist the urge to lick them. Humidify the air. Use a humidifier indoors, especially during dry seasons, to add moisture to the air and prevent dryness. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to lip care. Make these tips a part of your daily routine, and you'll notice a significant improvement in the condition of your lips. And there you have it, folks, our ultimate lip care guide to prevent chapped lips. By using a hydrating lip balm, exfoliating regularly, and following these additional tips, you can say goodbye to chapped lips for good. Don't forget to pamper your lips, just like you would with any other part of your body. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful beauty tips. Visit Royal Beauty Center in Gala, Muscat. For appointment WhatsApp 90149553. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep smiling.